in.
Okay, so, hi, here we are back from an awesome day of skiing. And we're ready to take our chains off, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. Bill is turning the wheel to the right so that we can see the yellow. See the yellow in there, guys? See the yellow meeting the blue. Okay, there's the, wait, turn it to the right, babe. Okay, so now we see the blue and the yellow and where they meet. Okay, that's what you want to know first, okay? Okay, now when he sees that, he can reach around. Oh no, sorry.
I'm going to unhook.
He's going to unhook this bad boy, okay? Taking the red chain off of being looped up there. Our nice little bracelet for our tires. Nice. Hey, now, I don't know if you guys have the cables are different than the chains, but I think chains are chains pretty much. Anyhow, there we are, unhooked. Now, it easily is unhooked here, and then what happens is, because we turned the wheel to the right so that you could see where the yellow meets the blue, it ends up, we forgot one right here. Okay. Up, turning the wheel more. So now it loosens up here. Okay, so there he reaches around to where the blue meets the yellow and easily unhooks it. Slides it off, and there you go. Your bracelet comes off of your tires. Oh, don't forget to put your tires in the little baggie that it came with. So we got these tires at O'Reilly's, and tire chains, I'm sorry. We got these tire chains at O'Reilly's. Oh, and there he does. He drives off of the chains, so you don't have to try to, lift the wheel out of the chains. Wouldn't that be stupid? Okay, there we go. There's a little bag, put them back in, and there you go, you're all set. I hope you have a really good time, and remember, be safe out there. What? I'm getting more instructions, but you know what? You've been watching now for 2 minutes. Now we have a bare tire. There's a little bracelet of chains. It was an awesome day skiing, dude. Have a safe time out there. Really, be safe because. Okay, bye.